Hi guys, today I just wanted to take you through a quick walkthrough of the warm-up for our Histograms Gizmo. So when you log into Explore Learning, log into your Gizmos, you're going to click on Histograms and then you're going to launch that Gizmo. Now again, you're going to want to minimize that screen and you're also going to want to have the companion also minimized. So I've got the companion that I'm going to use to go through the Gizmo. I'm going to minimize it, both of them actually. And then this one I'm going to stretch up so it fits through the whole screen. And I'm going to make sure that I can, one, see my Gizmo, and two, see my Explore screen, or my companion screen. So here we are in the Gizmo. We're at the Gizmo warm-up. When there are many data values, it is often helpful to group them into intervals or ranges of values. A histogram is a kind of graph. It looks like a bar graph, doesn't it? But it shows numerical values on the x and y axis. But if you notice on the x-axis, the values are in intervals and not discrete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. So these intervals, though, still help us to see the frequency, which is the y-axis, of the amount of data points we have in each of those intervals, okay? So we're going to explore this with the Histograms Gizmo. So to begin, it says check the show line plot. So show line plot's checked. Show intervals is also checked. The size of the interval should be set to 4. So we've got that. We're all set to go. So below the histogram, we're going to turn on show bar heights. So when I click that, what do you notice? It tells you how tall each bar goes or what the numbers are. So above the line plot, click clear. So we're going to go to here's our line plot right here. We're going to click clear. And we're going to drag 3 points between 1 and 4. So we're going to take these points, and it doesn't matter where they go, but we're going to put 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay? What did you notice happened on the histogram? Well, when I look at that, the bar went up 3 places. The bar went up 3. So I'm going to type that in. Now it says drag 4 points to the next interval between 5 and 6. So I'm going to take and drag 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? How does this affect the histogram? Well, the bar went up 4 places above the interval 5 to 8. Now it says drag more points to the line plot. What does the height of each bar in the histogram tell you? So we can drag as much as we want or as little as we want. We can stack them on top of each other. We can lay them out in different places. But what does each bar or the height of each bar in the histogram tell you? Well, it tells you the frequency of, or the number of data items, in each interval range. Okay, so now it's your turn. You're going to go through the Gizmo doing the activity. There's only the one activity. When you finish with that activity, you're going to scroll down and you're going to take the 5 assessment questions at the bottom. And that is what you're going to screenshot, your results that you get from the quiz at the bottom. And that's what you're going to put in your virtual notebook if this is the learning activity you chose. Okay, we're done with this video. You can go back and watch as many times as you need. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.